Hey, what up, jumpers? My name is Kyle Easter and I'm with jump15.com, and I want to give you a few tips here regarding proper rope rotation techniques so you can be more successful. Let's do this. One of the most common problems I see people making, especially beginners, is excessive arm movement, which typically looks something like this. Now the good news here is you're jumping rope, and that's awesome. The only problem is it's going to be really difficult to progress to the levels that you probably want to be able to get to using this technique. So let me give you a few tips here, a little rope rotation 101, if you will. Now you have three joints on your arm. You have the shoulder, elbow, and wrist. If your rotational axis is from the shoulder joint, you're going to be making some big arm circles. Same thing from the elbow. So ultimately what we want to do is get all the rope rotation strictly from the wrist. So you're going to look much more like this. Now rope rotation is important because it can produce consistency. If you're maintaining consistent form and technique in your upper body and with just your wrists, that means the rope is going to stay at the same height the entire time. You're going to be more consistent in the speed of the rope coming around your body, which is going to make you more successful in your jump attempts. If you can jump it once and maintain that consistency, then you're going to be able to do it as long as your endurance will hold up. There you have it. Rope rotation in a nutshell. If you found this useful, leave a thumbs up or a comment below. If you have any requests that you would like me to cover in the future, leave those as well. Also, visit jump15.com, and if you're feeling up for the challenge, sign up for the free 7-day challenge. Hope to see you in there.